Sibingelele ma-comrades eSouth Africa yonke. Sibingelele eGauteng ka-comrade uDals Manganyi, the KZN province ka-comrade uMncedisi Maphisa, the National Youth Brigade led by Comrade Sanele Sethembeni Zondo. Comrades, one would like to emphasize on the interest he has Kulento Yokulead Youth Brigade. I'm not an infant Kulento Yama structures Youth Brigade. I've grown from the branches to the national level, so I'm clear on what is needed to be done and what can be the solution in some of the problems we are facing, especially SADESMO problems. I would say the revivement of SADESMO structures fully will help us to have the structures at the branch level, the regional structures, the provincial structures, and the national structure. It will help us to at least lighten the weight on the shoulders of the youth brigade at the national level, and also gives us and the entire committee that I will be leading a chance to champion youth problems widely across South Africa. It is on that note that I avail myself and the collective which is across South Africa that will join in this campaign I'm in. Fortunately enough, umuntu une-experience kombe njengoba ngisho. Sibonile, sayithanda, sayenza, and we are still doing it with respect, principle, and we are going to do it even if you've given us the chance to lead. So, le video ngiyenza kabi on the day of the Valentines. So, ngiyacela nje ukuthi let me just wish the comrades, female comrades, male comrades, the families, the lovers, usuku oluhle nolunothando lwezithandani, of which it's today, the 14th of April. Please continue supporting the sitting leadership, and until the conference, then I will also beg you to support me in leading the youth brigade forward. Ilokho nje umuntu angakusho kwamanje. There's a question yeminyaka. Bantu they see Uzwide and someone who is rich. Comrades, I'm still young, young and young, not at heart, but I'm young. Still qualifies for leading the youth brigade. Even if the conference sits in the next 5 years, I will still be young and qualifying to contest. So, ilokho nje ubuthatha kakusho ba-comrades, and anifisele usuku oluhle lweyithandani, anifisele injabulo nesizotha nokuthula emndenini. uNkulunkulu anibusise. Siyabonga.